Here's the hard truth. Getting a new customer is expensive. Keeping one through mobile marketing is where the real profit is. The smartest repair shops use mobile marketing beyond lead generation. They use it to drive retention. Think SMS reminders, digital wallet loyalty cards, personalized offers, appointment follow-ups, and reactivation campaigns for overdue service. When customers carry your shop in their phone, you stay visible between visits. That means more repeat business, stronger trust, and higher lifetime value. This is especially powerful for repair shops because maintenance is recurring. If your communication is timely, personal, and mobile-friendly, you are far more likely to win the next visit before a competitor does. A strong example from the site. Its loyalty platform says repeat customers spend 67% more on average, and positions a strategy that can turn a $49 oil change customer into a $5,000 plus lifetime client through rewards, reminders, and targeted campaigns. If you want steadier revenue, stop thinking only about leads. Build a mobile retention system that brings customers back automatically.